So good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you all the volunteers. Thank you, Mel, for your fundraising efforts. And it looks like I need to thank a lot of you one-on-one for your pledges. So I appreciate that. Brian, thank you so much. Inspiring words talking about what's going on and how an NDP government, a New Democrat government, will actually bring jobs to our area, Chatham-Kent, Leamington, and all of Canada. But we care about Chatham-Kent, Leamington as well. We've been hit hard here. I was humbled when first approached to seek this nomination. It was a couple months ago. But through conversation with many of you, I truly got inspired. Your faith in me has brought me up, and I promise you I will not let you down. With our leader, Thomas Mulcair, the New Democrats have listened to the people in Canada. We have policy that addresses the issues that we face in Canada and in Chatham-Kent, Leamington. I'm briefly going to discuss three of these policies, and Brian will be my backup to help me out here if I miss a few. Like many of you, I worry about my aging parent and grandparent. New Democrats listen to seniors and retirees. We believe in maintaining the universality of the old age security and increasing funding for the guaranteed income supplement. The automatic eligibility to these programs, which not all our seniors know about, it's very important. New Democrats believe in mandating the Canada Pension Plan Investment Board invest a portion of their assets in developing Canadian businesses, yes, as well as socially responsible enterprise. We believe in working with the provinces and the territories to bring an increase to the Canada-Quebec Pension Plan benefit and to allow the flexibility for Canadians and their employers to make voluntary contributions to individual public pension accounts. And we believe in creating an ombudsman for seniors. And always worth discussing, especially during this time of year. The New Democrats are committed to improving the lives of our Canadian Forces and RCMP veterans and their families by providing fair benefits that recognize the personal sacrifices and services to our country. Next, New Democrats have listened to those in the nonprofit and social sectors. And I know this. I've been working with them. New Democrats have developed policy that will address the social justice issues facing communities throughout Canada, including Chatham-Kent, Leamington. We believe in launching a national strategy to eliminate poverty by focusing core priorities of income security, housing, and social inclusion. We aim to identify a clear definition and measurement of poverty and create specific responses to urban and rural poverty. Canadians are working harder than ever. They're tired of being told to settle for less. New Democrats believe in a $15 federal minimum wage. Take concrete action to fight growing income inequality and provide leadership to increase standards for all workers. And what about our children? Linda touched on it. New Democrats believe in affordable childcare. We are promised 125,000 new childcare spaces. To date, we've seen zero. Right, Brian?
Yeah,
There's a staggering 1.3 million children without childcare in Canada. New Democrats believe in creating new legislation to protect childcare through the Canadian Early Childhood Learning and Care Act to be a cornerstone of Canada, just like the Canada Health Act. Speaking of the Health Act, New Democrats have listened to everyone in Canada. The message is clear: improve our health care. I'd like to last speak to you about our policy on health. New Democrats are committed to health care and the vision of Tommy Douglas, a truly universal health care system where no Canadian is left behind. We believe in the right of all Canadians to have universal access to high-quality public health care that is transferable between the provinces and territories. We're committed to working in collaboration with the provinces and territories. We believe in fighting the privatization of public health care. Should have used my iPad. And we need to increase the healthcare transfers to the provinces and territories. We believe in providing incentives to recruit and train more healthcare professionals, as well as the need to invest in not-for-profit home care for seniors and people with disabilities. New Democrats believe in promoting healthy living, physical activity, and reduced tobacco use. We believe in adopting a harm reduction approach to substance abuse and permitting the use of marijuana for medicinal purposes. New Democrats believe in working with First Nations, Inuit, and Métis peoples to address their specific healthcare challenges. And we believe in providing leadership and coordination to healthcare services for seniors through initiatives such as designated federal home care transfer to guarantee a basic level of home care services to all Canadians, and a designated federal long-term care transfer to begin to address the shortage of quality care spaces across the country. New Democrats will put patients first, and by putting patients at the center of healthcare, we ensure earlier, more effective interventions at far lower costs. In closing, ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank you again for attending the event today and listening to us. I'll be available after today's meeting to connect with any of you here today that want to bring up other important issues. I want to reassure you that the New Democrats are listening, that I'm listening. We have a policy to address the important issues in Canada, the important issues in Chatham-Kent, Leamington, the important issues to you. Our leader, Thomas Mulcair, will be the next Prime Minister of Canada because Canada deserves better. Chatham-Kent, Leamington deserves better. We deserve better. Thank you.